It's Melissa, and I have another Pickle Guys and Pickle Girls pickle review. I'm very excited for this, probably more excited than any other time. So, let's start with the new Bloody Mary mix. I am very excited for this. Okay, so go ahead and start this. Loosen the cap. Oh, I should drink the brine first. Brine test. That big, that big. All right. I should have said olive. What's next? What's next? The onions. I love onions. That's definitely good. Green bean. Celery. I actually like that. I don't normally eat celery. Pickle. Cauliflower. This is one of my favorites. Okay. I have a few things left to try, but this is 100 out of 10, ladies. Love it. Love it. All right, next, the garlic apples. And I snuck one of these on the day they were delivered. These are out of this world. I like them better than the watermelon Erica. And last, but not least for sure, the sweet and sour pickles. Or apples. Get one down in there. They're all amazing. All right, so these are all amazing, but these two are my favorite, the Bloody Mary and the garlic apples. I think I'm gonna have to get a gallon of these for sure.